Now let's move on to the next one, that is consider the following in with regards to 97th Constitutional Amendment Act. What exactly 97th Constitutional Amendment Act is? It is about cooperative societies. So which of the, so it's also asking for what is correct. So let's discuss about it. First one, it inserted right to form cooperative as a fundamental right. Is it right? Yes, it is right. It has also inserted a provision under fundamental rights. So the first one is right. Second one, it fixed minimum and maximum number of directors allowed for cooperatives. So it has fixed, yes, it is right, it has fixed the maximum numbers, but again it is silent about the minimum numbers. So fixing the minimum numbers is wrong, which means that the second statement is wrong. So the answer should be, it is asking for correct, so the answer should be A. Now the objective of cooperatives is to promote voluntary formation, autonomous functioning, democratic control and professional management of cooperative societies. So the maximum number of directors has been fixed to be 21, but the minimum number is, the constitution is silent about the minimum number. And these are actually the important provisions that has been inserted in this 97th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2011. So Article 19, 1C, which has been inserted in our fundamental rights. Article 243 ZH to ZT, which has been inserted in part 9B, and also Article 43B, which has been inserted in part 4. So these are the important ones which has been inserted as a amendment by our 97th Constitutional Amendment Act.